And thank you for always being there for me, even though we don't see each other every day. To Nikki, you will always be my little sister. Thanks for all the laughter. You will always be here. No more 5,000 pesos. To Sir Vic and Ma'am Gigi, thanks to Mommy and Daddy. Thanks for giving me your blessing to marry. I feel very proud to be able to say that starting today, I am your son-in-law, officially and no longer Hilaw. And will always try to do my best to live up to your expectations, and I promise to everyone that I will take care of her. And of course, I will try to do everything that she tells me to do. I hope, I hope that you don't feel that you've lost a daughter, but have gained a mechanic, a handyman, and another not to be. But seriously, that you've gained a son. I thank God for giving me another set of parents as loving and supportive as the ones I already have. For having another sister as beautiful, as caring as Shishi and Nikki, and to God for finally answering my prayers of having a brother and sister. To our ninongs, ninang, titos, titas, cousins, and friends, I am not promising you that we will not see us fight, we will not see us in bad moods or argue. After all, forever is a long time. But what we promise everyone is that we will work on this marriage and relationship. We will make God our center, and we will make